Hey guys, one Brad H coming at you with another video here. Got a GoPro for my birthday. Woohoo! Time for some new awesome videos. Just thought I'd do a quick review on it and see how the video was and how see how I like the quality of it and the sound. See if you guys can hear me. I'm probably going to be using this a lot more for my videos now instead of the iPhone. Of course, manual, stickers. Came with this arched mount. I'm assuming it's for like a helmet. This is a flat mount. SD card, which my fiance actually bought separate. Does not come with one, but it takes the little micro SD. Comes with a charger cable. This stand, or not really stand, but it was a mount that the camera was mounted to inside of the GoPro packaging. It actually would work nice for like a tripod. It's pretty sturdy. It's hard, real hard plastic. I plan on putting it in this just cheapo Harbor Freight, like $20 container. But I just want to do a quick run around with this. I'm actually going to run. I'm not going to jog, and I'm going to just hold on to the camera and go with my body. It's supposed to have a built-in stabilizer in it, so we'll see. This barn is 40 foot long. I'm standing close to the edge, so let's go. All right. Not bad. At least it doesn't look bad on the GoPro. Let's see what it looks like outside here. Supposedly, you can zoom. I haven't tried this out yet. Oh yeah, nice. Cool. Well, let me know what you guys think. Give me some good video ideas, comments, likes, subscribes. Have a good one. Bye.